Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to help you see the small components clearly. 1. First, unplug your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety is paramount. 2. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the button on the side and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. 3. Use the Torx T15 screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located at the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. 4. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover to expose the motor. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior with a soft brush or cloth. This not only helps improve performance but also prevents overheating. 5. To disconnect the motor, first, unplug the power connector. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose if it's stuck. 6. After the connector is removed, you will notice additional screws holding the motor in place. Use the Torx T15 screwdriver to remove these screws as well. Be careful not to drop them into the vacuum body. 7. With the screws removed, you can now lift the motor out of its housing. Pay attention to how it's positioned so you can install the new motor correctly. 8. At this point, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine the issue with your vacuum and provide a quote before repair. 9. Now, take your new motor and position it where the old motor was located. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. 10. Reconnect the power connector, ensuring it clicks into place securely. 11. Before replacing the motor cover, do one last check to ensure everything is connected properly and there are no loose screws. 12. Replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws. Make sure it fits snugly to prevent any dust from entering the motor compartment. 13. Finally, reattach the dust bin and plug your Dyson V10 back into the power source. If you're looking to save time, our service includes pickup and delivery right at your home. No calls, no travel needed. Simply schedule a pickup, and we'll handle the rest. With all steps complete, you can now turn your vacuum on to test the new motor. If everything runs smoothly, you've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V10. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for further assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.